We'll guide you through how to use the Planar Tracker in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project or open an existing one where you want to apply the Planar Tracker. Head over to the Edit page and select the clip you want to track. Now, go to the Fusion tab by clicking on it at the bottom of the interface. Once you're in Fusion, you'll see your clip on the left side with a Media In node. You need to add a Planar Tracker node, so hit Shift and Spacebar to bring up the Select Tool window, type in Planar Tracker, and hit Enter to add it. Connect the Planar Tracker node between the Media In and Media Out nodes. Click on the Planar Tracker node to select it, and in the Inspector panel on the right, set the tracker to Set mode. Next, draw a shape around the area you want to track by clicking and dragging in the viewer. Make sure you enclose the feature you want to follow. After drawing your shape, in the Inspector, switch the tracker mode from Set to Track. You can choose the tracking direction, whether forward or backward, using the buttons right below the viewer. Hit the Track Forward button to start tracking your selected area. Once the tracking is complete, change the operation mode from Track to Stabilize or Corner Pin, depending on what effect you want to achieve. You can now apply transformations or composite elements onto the tracked area. If you want to refine the track, you can adjust the track points manually by moving them frame by frame. And that's how you use the Planar Tracker in DaVinci Resolve to enhance your video projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.